Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the class of Business Communication. This is session number 21 and we are discussing about the sales letters. Yesterday, we started with the meaning. Then we saw about the purpose behind writing the letter. Let's start today with the same. We saw about the objectives regarding sales letters. A sales letter aims at reaching the reader to purchase the product, like it is always useful regarding the product's advertisement, regarding the marketing related to its services. It should be provided with the customer's range. It is useful for the expansion of market. Why we write? What are the needs, benefits of writing this sales letter? In this world of competition, we always find the way which is cheaper, economic, and sales letter would be the best option because it is less expensive. It reaches a client where a salesman cannot. It reaches a number of clients all at the same time. It provides ease of understanding and availability, and it is more convenient, efficient, and comprehensive. It gives better understanding. So, then after we saw about the format of sales letter. Like under the format, main and crucial thing when we start writing sales letter, we should think about the headline. Here writer has to grab the reader's attention. Then after we introduce the product, it is the introductory part in which we provide the details about the product and its services. Related to that, we explain the cost, quality, savings, etc. In the body part, we show about the business product's credibility in compared to the new product. It should be satisfying and beneficiary for the customer. Call to attention, people should be ready to mentally first and then physically ready to be able to purchase the thing. And even we need to provide sometimes warranty and discount also. While drafting this, we need to take some precautions. That we have already discussed regarding the tips. Types of sales letters, that also we discussed. It should be introductory, it should be product update, selling incentive, thank you kind of letter, holiday celebration, invitation. These are the varieties we find related to sales letter. Then after we saw this sample letter of pizza parlor. Then after the details were provided, then the offers were given. Then we saw about the shoe promotion letter. In that case, we found within these 3 paragraphs, like they are providing the SMART Roadmaster branded shoes. Let us see the third one. This letter is about the coaching class. Very soon they are going to have their own coaching class and a kind of an advertisement that providing facility of the classroom which is included here. Bringing the classroom to you, that's the new age of education where you can have the benefit of saving your money normally used for parking, no headaches of scheduling or having to wait weeks for an opening to take one class, and no need for a vehicle because you won't have to travel anywhere. This is a class where you can wear pajamas to school and not getting weird looks and get your credit hours and when you choose and not when the school chooses. So convenience is the key. So that was about online coaching classes. This is the kind of a headline that bringing the classroom to you, right? Convenience is the key. Sample 4 will explain everything like how to write, what to include who is the writer, who is the person to whom you are writing. Sample 4 will give proper clarity about sales letter. It starts with from, name of the writer and the company with address. Okay. 2. To whom you are writing, name, designation and company of recipient. સ્વીકારનાર વ્યક્તિનું નામ પણ તમે લખી શકો કે પર્ટિક્યુલરલી તમે કોઈના માટે લખેલો છે તો. ડેટ લાઇન ઇઝ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. Then after salutation, then after in the very first paragraph you are going to write in this way. This is the ideal sample to explain each and every idea about sales letter. I would like to introduce our dash introduces your company. We are in the business dash mention your business field and year of experience. જો હોય તો if you are the fresher, if you are going to introduce your product, then no need to worry, you can introduce in your own way. We are glad to inform you about the good quality and reputation of our products. It will be our pleasure to provide you products that meet your needs at reasonable prices. This is the first paragraph that you are going to write. Our new launch is dash introduce new product and quote the price. It carries dash mention the features. You will get the best deals in the market with us. In the third paragraph, we are expecting a positive response for further details and demonstrations. Please feel free to contact our customer relationship manager at dash email address or phone number. This is how you can introduce your product here, or else you can introduce the company, mention in which business you are associated with. You are making the business of so and so. Then after you are glad to inform you about the good quality and as well as the reputation of the product about which you are writing. It will be a kind of a pleasure that the company products that meet your needs at reasonable prices કે તમને એકદમ reasonable price માં એ product મળી શકશે. Second paragraph again, our new launch is, જો કંપનીએ કોઈ new flavor, કોઈ new color, કોઈ new product with new taste, if something has been launched, then you can add on in the second paragraph like with the help of quote. It carries dash, mention the features, you will get the best deal in the market with us. We are expecting a positive response. For further details and demonstrations, please feel free to contact our customer relationship manager at dash email address or phone number. Thanking you sincerely, dash name of the sender and his company. This was the best example about the sales letter. Now, let us see the fresh sample. With the help of that, you will be able to understand the sales letter. Starting with the heading, in that case you will write the company name, Nestle Manufacturing Private Limited. That is the company heading. Then after, Kalawad Road, Rajkot, then here if you are informing to the customers, then you don't need to write an inside address, right? In that case, that can be a part which you can skip. You can start with the date. Today is 17th March 2021. Dear customers, you can write like dear customers. You can put a comma. Let's start with the headline. Here is the new flavor introduced. The delicious and sumptuous new Maggie with tangy tomato flavor. This can be the best way to give headline, right? This is the company which is existing from last 25 years in the market. We have maintained a kind of trustworthy environment for the people. Nestle is as old as gold. We are making, manufacturing various products for the different needs of people and for their convenience. So we decided to give something for the lovers of Maggie. Now the second paragraph. New Maggie with tangy tomato flavor is definitely satisfy your taste buds and giving all the nutritional elements. Because we have introduced this with the atta wheat flour and so it is healthy as well as yummy for all generation people. With the initial cell, we are going to provide a kind of buy one get one offer for all our customers. We are very glad to give these variation of Maggi with people's choice. And so we expect the greater response from our customers also. In your nearby all stores, it is available. Enjoy the taste of it, the yummy taste of it. Thanking you. Nestle, Rajkot unit. This you can write with an outside border, so that looks more proper. And this is how you are going to write the sales letter. We'll practice more about this on tomorrow. So I'm ending here. Thank you very much and have a good day with writing. See you tomorrow, girls. Thank you.